Imagine this for a moment. You wake up tomorrow morning and something feels different in your body. Lighter, calmer, more in control. You didn't start a crazy diet. You didn't take any pills. You simply ate real food for just one day. Most people don't realize how fast the body reacts when you give it something clean to work with. Within hours, your blood sugar starts settling, your digestion begins to wake up, and your brain feels just a little clearer. And that's only the first 24 hours. What happens next, from day 3 to day 30, is even more powerful. Today, we're breaking down exactly what goes on inside your body when you switch to healthy eating. And trust me, some of these changes are going to surprise you. If you've ever wondered whether eating healthy really makes a difference, this video is going to give you the answer in a way you've never heard before. Healthy eating isn't a punishment or a set of strict rules. It's simply choosing foods that help your body work the way it was designed to. Whole foods like vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, whole grains, and good fats do something incredible. They unlock the natural intelligence inside your body. Your cells communicate better, your organs function more efficiently, and your energy becomes smoother and more stable. But here's the best part. You don't need to eat perfectly. You just need to start. In this video, we're going to walk through a complete 30-day transformation timeline. What exactly happens to your body on day 1, 2? How does your brain react by day 3? Why does day 14 feel like a breakthrough? And what long-lasting shifts appear when you reach day 30? Each stage reveals a different layer of healing and renewal. So sit back, relax, and let's explore this journey, step by step. Whether you're trying to lose weight, improve your health, feel more energized, or simply understand your body better, this guide will show you exactly what's happening beneath the surface. And trust me, the changes are far bigger than you expect. Day 1 might seem small, but inside your body, it's a powerful turning point. Within the first few hours of eating healthy, your blood sugar begins to stabilize. Instead of spiking and crashing, your energy smooths out. Your digestive system receives natural fiber and nutrients, helping it relax after days, weeks, or even years of heavy processed foods. The liver, the organ responsible for detoxification, immediately gets a break. Without artificial ingredients and chemical additives to fight through, it can now focus on cleaning your system. Hydration starts working differently too. When you eat whole foods that actually contain water, like fruits and vegetables, your cells absorb moisture more effectively, making you feel less sluggish. Even your brain experiences a shift. With steady glucose from whole foods, your mind starts feeling clearer and more focused. Some people even report less anxiety on the very first day. And while you might not see external results yet, something important is happening inside. Inflammation begins to drop. The body realizes it's finally receiving what it needs, and it begins preparing for deeper changes ahead. Day 1 is the spark that lights the entire transformation. By day 3, your body enters the first real phase of internal cleansing. This doesn't mean a harsh detox or anything extreme. It's simply your system finally flushing out the excess salt, oils, sugars, and chemicals that processed foods leave behind. Your gut begins adjusting to the new balance of fiber and nutrients. Many people notice reduced bloating, smoother digestion, and a lighter feeling in their stomach. Your brain becomes clearer as your body stabilizes blood sugar more efficiently. Without constant spikes and crashes, your mind sharpens and your mood becomes more stable. You may notice you're thinking more calmly, reacting more gently, and feeling less overwhelmed by small things. Your taste buds also begin resetting. Foods with natural sweetness like apples or berries may suddenly taste better than they used to. This is your body shifting away from artificial flavors. Your skin may start releasing worse, sometimes leads to a tiny breakout, but that's a good sign. It means your body is cleaning itself from the inside out. Day 3 is when many people feel their first wow moment. The changes are subtle but undeniable, and they set the stage for the first major transformation at Day 7, thra. By Day 7, your body has officially begun adapting to your new eating pattern. This is the point where many people feel their first major before and after. Your digestion becomes noticeably smoother. The heaviness after meals decreases. Bloating drops significantly because your gut bacteria are finally receiving the fiber they need. Your skin starts looking clearer and more hydrated. Many people describe a natural glow, the kind you can get from makeup or skincare alone. Sleep improves dramatically. Because your blood sugar is more stable and your body isn't overloaded with heavy fats or chemicals. Your nervous system calms down, helping you fall asleep faster and wake up more refreshed. Your mood also becomes more balanced. Without constant sugar crashes, your emotional highs and lows level out. You may feel more motivated, more optimistic, and more capable of making good decisions. Your cravings begin to shift as well. Junk food loses some of its control, and healthier foods start tasting better. This is the first week, and your body has already begun resetting itself. The momentum you feel here becomes the foundation for even deeper changes in the upcoming weeks. Day 2 week mark. The changes happening inside your body become more powerful and more noticeable. Inflammation, one of the biggest causes of pain, fatigue, and disease, has begun dropping significantly. People often feel less joint pain, fewer headaches, and more fluid movement. Your gut microbiome is now in full rebuilding mode. Healthy bacteria are growing, helping your digestion work the way it should. This means less discomfort, less gas, and much smoother bowel movements. Your metabolism becomes more active. Your body is now better at using food as fuel rather than storing it as fat. Which is when many people begin noticing slight changes in their weight or body shape. Your brain chemistry also improves. Foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and omega-3s help support neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, the chemicals responsible for happiness and motivation. You may feel more focused, more confident, and more emotionally steady. Your skin continues improving because your body is now getting antioxidants and healthy fats that repair cells from within. By Day 14, you can feel deeply that your body is changing. The foundation is set, and the transformation only accelerates from here. Day 21 is a powerful milestone because this is when your body and mind start forming automatic habits. Eating healthy no longer feels like a struggle, it feels normal. Your taste buds have almost fully adjusted, making whole foods taste richer and more satisfying than processed snacks. Cravings continue to drop. Many people report that their desire for sugary or fried foods fades significantly. Your energy becomes consistent throughout the entire day. No more midday crashes, no more constant tiredness, and no more relying on caffeine to push through. Your digestive system operates more efficiently, helping your body absorb more nutrients from the food you eat. Sleep cycles improve even further. You fall asleep easier, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling genuinely refreshed. Your mood shows the strongest improvement around this time. People often feel more positive, less anxious, and more emotionally balanced. This happens because your brain, gut, and hormones are now working together instead of fighting against food-related inflammation. Day 21 marks the point where your lifestyle shifts from effort to identity. You're no longer trying to eat healthy. You're becoming the kind of person whose body thrives because of the choices you make. By Day 30, your body has undergone a complete internal reset. This is the moment when all the small daily changes join together into a powerful transformation. Your metabolism is now more efficient, meaning your body burns calories more steadily and naturally. Your gut health has improved dramatically, and this affects everything: your mood, your immune system, your energy, and even your skin. Your blood sugar is better controlled, lowering your risk of diabetes and extreme mood swings. Your skin often looks clearer, brighter, and more even. Many people notice reduced acne, less oiliness, and a softer overall appearance. Your energy feels more youthful, steady, strong, and reliable. Movement feels easier, your breathing feels smoother, and your mental clarity is sharper than it has been in a long time. But the most impressive change is how you feel emotionally. Eating healthy improves serotonin levels, gut bacteria, and hormone balance, all of which create a calmer, happier version of you. By day 30, you're not just eating differently, you're living differently. This stage proves that your body can transform faster than you ever imagined when you simply give it the right fuel. All foods are equal. Some have an extraordinary ability to repair, strengthen, and energize your body. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and romaine deliver vitamins and minerals that support your blood, skin, and immune system. Berries provide powerful antioxidants that protect your cells and reduce inflammation. Lean proteins such as chicken, fish, beans, and eggs help rebuild muscle, stabilize blood sugar, and keep you full for longer. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, brown rice give your body steady energy without spikes or crashes. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil feed your brain and support hormones, making you feel mentally sharper and emotionally steadier. And perhaps the most underrated element, hydration. Water-rich foods like cucumbers, oranges, melons, and tomatoes help your cells work better than plain water alone. When these foods become the foundation of your meals, your body receives everything it needs to heal and thrive. And the best part? You don't need perfection, just consistency. Even adding one of these foods each day can start shifting your health in a completely new direction. Your body recognizes real nourishment instantly, and it rewards you with energy, clarity, and strength. Every time you give it something good, it responds with gratitude, more energy, better sleep, clearer thinking, and a stronger sense of well-being. This 30-day journey isn't about perfection or strict rules. It's about understanding that your body wants to heal, and it knows exactly how to do it once you start feeding it the right fuel. Maybe you start with one healthy meal, one fruit a day, or one simple change like drinking more water. What matters is that you begin. Imagine yourself 30 days from now feeling lighter, clearer, calmer, and more in control of your life. That version of you is real, and it's weighing. All it needs is the first step. This video inspired you. Make sure to subscribe for more life-changing content. Share this message with someone who needs encouragement. And remember, the most powerful transformation starts with the smallest decision. Your body is ready. Your future is waiting. Now, it's your turn to begin. When you think about everything your body has gone through in the last 30 days, one thing becomes clear. Your body has always wanted to feel better. It just needed the chance. Every healthy choice you made, every clean meal you ate, every moment you resisted old habits, your body noticed. And it responded with more energy, clearer thoughts, calmer emotions, better sleep, and a lighter, more confident version of yourself. This transformation isn't magic. It's nature. It's your body doing exactly what it was designed to do when you feed it real, honest, nourishing food. But here's the most important part. This journey doesn't end at day 30. This is the beginning of a new chapter 1, where you're finally in control of your habits, your health, and your future. You don't have to be perfect. You don't need strict rules. You just need to keep going, one smart choice at a time. And if you ever feel like you're slipping, remember how far you've come. If this video inspired you, go ahead and subscribe for more powerful stories and science-backed journeys. Share this message with someone who needs hope today. And always remember, your body is capable of incredible things. When you believe in it,